Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring your cream cheese is at room temperature. For the crust, crush about 1 1/4 cups of graham crackers. Mix these crumbs with 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan, creating an even layer. This forms the delicious base for your creamy dessert. Now, let's create that irresistible filling. In a large bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese until smooth. Gradually add 1 cup of granulated sugar, beating until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, gently mix in 4 large eggs, one at a time, scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed. Be careful not to overmix, as this can introduce too much air. To bake your cheesecake perfectly, place the springform pan into a larger roasting pan. Pour hot water into the roasting pan, creating a water bath around your cheesecake. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 to 75 minutes, until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Turn off the oven and let it cool slowly inside, then chill for at least 4 hours. Once your cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, it's time for the fun part: toppings. You can adorn it with fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, or perhaps a vibrant fruit compote. A drizzle of rich chocolate sauce or a decadent caramel topping also adds a wonderful touch. For an effortless cleanup after your baking adventure, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.